With the pandemic wreaking havoc on all our lives, have you ever felt that you have no control with your... Have you thought to yourself, I want to start a business, but what if it doesn't work out? Or, I have a dream business, but what if I fail? Don't worry, because Mariana and G, your business coach, will be there with you every step of the way. We believe in the saying, either you run the day or the day runs you. You too can gain back control in your life through our coaching services. With our business coaching expertise, we offer an external, objective, and constructive perspective of your situation and needs. We will help you come up with a personalized strategy that will cater to your business plans. Once you're a member, you get exclusive access to services and facilities like personal growth development, career ambition-focused teachings, workshops, trainings, masterclasses, free web builder, graphic designs, free templates, email marketing, business networking. Don't just take our word for being the best business coach service for you. Here are some feedback from our clients that we've worked with.
Wow, who knew my life could change so dramatically? With the help of Mariana support, I am ready to live my dreams. Thanks for helping me help myself.
Working with Mariana in G has empowered me. Before I started this self-exploration, I lived in fear of failure. Thanks to her coaching and support, my entire life has improved.
Before working with Mariana NG, I felt that I had limited options for my future. Now, with her support, I am living the passionate life I've always dreamed of living.
So what are you waiting for? Call us at 0121 389 4649. And check out our website at www.marianang.com. Or email us at info@marianang.com. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube by just searching up Mariana and G. With Mariana and G, you can dream big, because we will be with you every step of the way.